Why are Kangen water ionizers so expensive? First of all, if you compare water ionizers to medical equipment, they're not expensive at all. But I'll explain how the expense breaks down. The most cost is in the platinum-coated titanium plates, electrodes. Inagic's Kangen water ionizers are labeled as the gold standard product. This Japanese company has also labeled the water produced by its water ionizers as Kangen water, claiming it is unique and better than everything else. According to the company, only Kangen water possesses alkaline, antioxidant, and hydrating capabilities. Even their Electrolysis is patent registered. Inagic's Kangen is a brand and seeks to establish itself as a luxury high-end brand, which sets the gold standards as the reason for their machines being so much more expensive than their competitors all around the globe. Water ionizers have between 5 and 7 of titanium plates. The reason for using platinum is that it, of all metals, will not break down and leach into your water, even over time. So it will virtually last indefinitely, and as long as your water ionizer has a good cleaning cycle, it will produce as healthy water 20 years from now as it does today. The second greatest cost for water ionizers is in the research, development and production of the water ionizer. These are very scientifically developed and intricate machines, and the researchers don't typically receive grant money for it either. It's so true that people will not usually question the cost of medical care. However, this is after the fact treating something that more than likely could have been prevented. It's high time we start investing a little into the field of prevention. You might have seen on the internet that cheap ionizers are pretty easy to buy, and what harm can it do to try one when they're so cut price? Well, most of these models come from China, and many contain deadly lead. It's such a problem that there's a separate thriving trade in fake lead-free certification for these dangerous imports, so beware. Before signing off, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.